Hey everyone, I'm just trying another application, um, in reading another application, such as this case, Magic the Gathering Arena, where you have cards, you have so many of your cards, um, and you can build decks and such. And I think there's tools out there that you can get information or what you have in your deck. You can export those, but there may be something that can actually even pull all the cards out. But here was just something I was like, let me just try creating something that would be able to read this screen and the cards that I have, how many are there. I'm going to be adding an API call that will actually get the cards information. And with this application here, basically it's a card gatherer that I've just started. I can set the window. It'll find the MTGA window, Magic the Gathering Arena, and I can capture the screen. Now, if we go to the capture preview, we can kind of see it here. And we have a debug, detection debug that we can see, and then we have the calibration. And let's just increase this here so you can kind of see it. So you can see it captured the screen. Now, this has already been calibrated, so it's not set when you initially do it, but you do have to set where the cards are, and you can move cards left, right, and so on. Such I don't want to recalibrate everything on here, but let's say if we kind of calibrate the left arrow, we can come up here and say, okay, hey, here's where the left arrow is. We can calibrate the right arrow, and where that is, we can set where the first diamond is. We set what an empty diamond looks like by capturing it, what a filled diamond looks like. And okay, I have a little glitch right here, so we'll need to fix that, but we can probably, let's capture what the empty diamond looks like here. And that will be right here. And there we go. Oh, well, we're gonna have to take care of that. But this is just the start, okay? So we can shift the diamonds where they're located. We can make them wider, smaller, position all rows. We can shift them up, we can shift them down. We can increase the spacing between them just to get it. We can change the nudge pixel rate. And so we can position where everything is along with where the cards text is. Okay, so if we go back to our debug, detection debug here, we can analyze the current page. And what it's going to do is it's using OCR to get the card's name, Cosmium Blast, and it knows I have 1. And then with the Dawnwing Marshal, I have 3 because 3 are filled. And so what this will be able to do, so this is kind of what I'm getting at. Here's the clean OCR, raw OCR, but then the match name is going to be a part of the API call where we're passing in the card name, and we'll get the card's cost, we'll get the card's type, the card strength and power, strength, and life, and we'll be able to have it cycle through. So what it will end up doing is going through each page, capturing and adding to your library and how many you have in there. Now, like I said, there may be tools out there that can get this information for you, but this was really a test for myself to create something that is able to capture the window, capture the text and how many, the filled diamonds versus the empty diamonds, and to be able to capture calculate how many I own, and then it will be implementing that API call. So it's just a lot of experimenting and trying out new new ideas, and to see, hey, how could I do this, or how could I get this information, and log it and keep track of it, and building calibrations and shifting where it's going to be gathering from the screen, and making decisions on that information, and again, fixing bugs as we come across them. I hope this is interesting to you. If you have any questions or thoughts, what we could try, give me a shout, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I look forward to posting my next video. You all take care.